If you're looking for a gas charcoal grill combo, here's something no product page tells you. Most combo grills are either half-baked or just one fuel type with confusing marketing. But there are actually solid setups out there if you know what to look for. Product number 1, Charbroil Portable Propane. This Charbroil Portable Propane Grill is a bare-bones, no-frills option that costs just $51.40. It's small, lightweight, and runs on liquid propane, perfect if you're grilling solo or with one other person. The 190 square inches of cooking space and porcelain-coated grates are decent for the price, and it's easy to clean. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The compact size means it fits in tight spaces, and the steel construction with a high-temp finish helps it resist rust, something you'll appreciate if you leave it outside. The 90-day warranty isn't great, but at this price it's expected. Over 900 people bought this in the past month, which shows it's filling a real need for budget-friendly portability. Now, some people complained about the flimsy build and lack of heat control. Here's the thing though, this isn't built for serious cooks or big meals. The single burner gives uneven heat and the small size limits what you can cook. If you're grilling burgers for two, fine, but don't expect searing power or consistent temps. This is perfect for you if you need an ultra-affordable grab-and-go grill for camping or tiny decks. Skip this one if you cook for more than two or want precise temperature control. At $51, it's a steal, but only if your expectations match its size. Product number 2, Cuisinart 2-burner tabletop. Alright, that was a solid budget pick. But if you want more power and control without sacrificing portability, the Cuisinart Chef-style tabletop grill steps up. At $218.49, it's a jump in price, but you get two 10,000 BTU burners, stainless steel grates, and a built-in thermometer. It sets up in under 10 minutes with no tools, perfect for tailgating or backyard use. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Dual burners mean you can sear steaks on one side and slow-cook veggies on the other. The twist-start ignition fires up instantly, and the independent knobs give real heat control. At just 22 pounds with folding legs and a carry handle, it's still easy to move. Over 800 buyers in the past month prove it's a favorite for campers and grillers who want flexibility. Now, some people complained about the small cooking surface and lack of side tables. Here's the thing though, this is a tabletop grill, not a full backyard setup. You're trading space for portability. The 285 SKU. In total area 214 primary is enough for 6-8 burgers, but not a full rack of ribs. This is perfect for you if you want restaurant-style control in a portable package. Skip this one if you regularly cook for large groups or need a permanent backyard fixture. It's pricey for portable, but the performance justifies it. Product number 3, Mastercook 3-burner. Now, if the Cuisinart size bothered you, this Mastercook 3-burner grill brings serious power. Also priced at $218.49, it delivers 30,000 BTU across 3 stainless steel burners and a massive 472 SKU. In cooking area, including a warming rack. The foldable side tables and heavy-duty wheels make it backyard-ready without permanent installation. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The triple burners let you create multiple heat zones, sear, grill, and keep warm all at once. The built-in thermometer helps you monitor temps, and the stainless steel control panel resists weather. It's ideal for family cookouts or feeding a crowd. With only 200 sold recently, it's less popular, but the specs are strong. Now, some people complained about difficult assembly and wobbly side tables. Here's the thing though, this isn't a pre-assembled unit. You'll spend an hour putting it together and the tables can sag if overloaded. But once it's set up, it's stable and powerful. This is perfect for you if you want a full-sized gas grilling experience without built-in installation. Skip this one if you hate assembling furniture or need something truly portable. For the price, it's a solid mid-tier option. Product number 4, Royal Gourmet Tabletop. Alright, that was a big backyard grill. But what if you want portability with a bit more cooking space? The Royal Gourmet GT 1001 gives you 285 SKU. Of cooking area, including a warming rack in a compact foldable design. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The stainless steel grate and even heat distribution let you grill steaks or delicate fish without hot spots. The locking lid and folding legs make it easy to store or take camping. The grease tray is a lifesaver, no messy cleanup after a cookout. It's a smart pick if you want reliability without the premium price. Now, some people complained about the small propane tank requirement and limited BTU output. Here's the thing though, this uses a 1 lb tank, so you'll need spares for long sessions. And at 10,000 BTU, it's not a high heat monster, but for daily grilling, it's more than enough. This is perfect for you if you want a balance of size, price, and portability. Skip this one if you need high heat for searing or plan to cook for more than 4. It's a great all-rounder for the price. Product number 5, Char Griller AKORNJR. Now, if you're serious about flavor and don't mind charcoal, the Char Griller AKORNJR is the only true charcoal option here, and it's a beast. At $257.06, it's the priciest, but it holds heat like ceramic, has triple wall steel insulation, and delivers even, consistent temps for grilling and smoking. The 155 SKU. In. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Charcoal gives that deep, smoky flavor gas can't match. The easy dump ash pan and locking lid make it surprisingly user-friendly. It's portable at 20 pounds, so you can take it camping or move it around the yard. Just 100 sold recently, but it's a cult favorite among Kamado lovers. Now, some people complained about the small size and learning curve with charcoal. Here's the thing though, this isn't for weeknight burgers. It takes time to light and control temps, but once you master it, the results are unmatched. This is perfect for you if you want authentic smoky flavor and don't mind the extra effort. Skip this one if you want quick, convenient grilling. It's pricey, but for flavor purists, it's worth every penny. So which one's best? The Charbroil wins for budget portability, the Cuisinart for balanced performance, the Master Cook for big backyard grilling, the Royal Gourmet for value, and the Char Griller if you want real charcoal flavor. None are perfect combos, but each solves a real grilling need. Pick based on your space, budget, and how you actually cook.